Hi there, happy Travel Tuesday. Thanks for stopping by today. Today we're going to be speaking about changes. So let's get into some of the most common questions. First of all, what should I do if my travel plans change? Can I change from a single trip to an annual plan? If I have a change in health, do I have to let you know? And my diagnosis will not be confirmed before I leave, but my doctor says I'm fine to travel. Does this affect insurance? So if you have a change in your travel plans, you should definitely let your agent or provider know as soon as possible because your insurance must reflect your true dates of travel, and it's very important that everything is accurately recorded. So if your trip is delayed and you're not sure when you're actually leaving, call your agent or provider to put the policy on hold. Now this means that your policy won't go into effect until you contact them again. If you're planning on still traveling, it's the best way to go as it prevents you from having to fill out the whole application process all over again after canceling the policy. Now, if you are canceling your trip, be sure to call your agent prior to the policy going into effect. Now, if you want to change your policy altogether, for example, from a single trip to an annual plan, you certainly can do so. You just have to do so before the plan goes into effect. So if you decide partway through your trip that you wish you had had an annual plan, unfortunately it's too late at that point. But if you decide right before you leave, no problem. Your agent or provider can certainly adjust that for you. If you have a change in health, this is so important, you must let your agent or provider know. And that goes for any change in health whatsoever. It's really important because it means that you might not be covered under the plan you purchased or your stability might be affected. The best thing to do is to call them right away, fill them in on what's going on, and then you can both take it from there and you can determine whether any further action is required. So even something that could seem very insignificant to you could make a big impact to your policy. So make sure you get that confirmation directly from a licensed agent before traveling on the policy. It will also provide you with some peace of mind as well. Don't leave questions. Again, a very important topic. If you have an ongoing medical issue that's not settled prior to meeting your stability period, it might not be best to travel. So if you have something that's under investigation or pending further testing or surgery, that will never be covered under your travel insurance policy. So even if your doctor tells you you'll be fine or it won't cause a problem, it's important to be aware of these factors before making the decision to travel. That way you can know before you go. Thanks for coming by. We're the Travel Insurance Office Incorporated, insuring traveling Canadians since 1991. Check us out online at travelinsuranceoffice.com or by phone at that toll-free number on your screen. Thanks, have a wonderful week.